Welcome to Speech on Success. 1. Operation Sindoor was carried out in response to which incident? A. Uri attack. B. Pahalgam terror attack. C. Mumbai attack. D. Pulwama attack. Correct answer. B. Pahalgam terror attack. 2. What was the objective of Operation Sindoor? A. Defeating the Pakistan army. B. Changing the border of Kashmir. C. Counterterrorism operation. D. Recapture the Pak. Correct answer. C. Counterterrorism operation. 3. When did Operation Sindoor start? A. 4th May 2025. B. 7th May 2025. C. 8th May 2025. D. 10th May 2025. Correct answer. B. 7th May 2025. 4. Under which operation did India attack terrorist bases in Pakistan on 7 May 2025? A. Operation Bandar. B. Operation Vijay. C. Operation Sindoor. D. Operation Meghdut. Correct answer. C. Operation Sindoor. 5. When did the Pahalgam terror attack happen? A. 4th April 2025. B. 7th May 2025. C. 18th April 2025. D. 22nd April 2025. Correct answer. D. 22nd April 2025. 6. How many innocent civilians were killed in the Pahalgam terror attack in Kashmir? A. 20. B. 24. C. 26. D. 30. Correct answer. C. 26. 7. Which fighter jets are used in the operation in Sindoor? A. Tejas. B. Rafale. C. Sukhoi. D. MiG-29. Correct answer. B. Rafale. 8. What missiles were used during Operation Sindoor? A. Scalp missile. B. Hammer missile. C. Kamikaze drones. D. All of the above. Correct answer. D. All of the above. 9. How many terror sites were destroyed by the IAF during Operation Sindoor? A. 5. B. 8. C. 6. D. 9. Correct answer. D. 9. 10. Which agreement was signed between India and Pakistan in 1972? A. Shimla Agreement. B. Tashkent Agreement. C. Lahore Declaration. D. Delhi Declaration. Correct answer. A. Shimla Agreement. 11. Which agreement was signed by India and Pakistan, under which both countries agreed to resolve differences and disputes bilaterally? A. Calcutta Agreement. B. Simla Agreement. C. Lucknow Agreement. D. Agra Agreement. Correct answer. B. Simla Agreement. 12. Which day is celebrated as Indian Army Day? A. 26th January. B. 15th August. C. 2nd October. D. 15th January. Correct answer. D. 15th January. 13. Who was the first Indian Field Marshal? A. K. M. Karyappa. B. Bipin Rawat. C. Manod Mukund Narwane. D. Sam Manekashaw. Correct answer. D. Sam Manekashaw. 14. Which operation was conducted by the Indian government in response to the 2001 Indian Parliament attack? A. Operation Parakram. B. Operation Vijay. C. Operation Bandar. D. Operation Meghdut. Correct answer. A. Operation Parakram. 15. Which operation was launched by the Indian Army to flush out terrorists from the Kashmir Valley in 1990? A. Operation Vijay. B. Operation Rakshak. C. Operation Blue Star. D. Operation Meghdut. Correct answer. B. Operation Rakshak. 16. What is the name of the military doctrine developed by the Indian Armed Forces for use in case of a war with Pakistan? A. Vijay. B. Meghdut. C. Shaurya. D. Cold Start. Correct answer. D. Cold Start. 17. When is Kargil Vijay Divas celebrated every year? A. 16th December. B. 26th July. C. 15th August. D. 7th May. Correct answer. B. 26th July. 18. Who was the Prime Minister of India during the Indo-Pak War in 1965? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. D. Manmohan Singh. Correct answer. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. 19. Which is the largest arm of the Indian Army? A. Infantry. B. Artillery. C. Armored Corps. D. Engineering. Correct answer. A. Infantry. 20. Where is the Indian Military Academy, IMA, located? A. Pune. B. New Delhi. C. Dehradun. D. Bangalore. Correct answer. C. Dehradun. 21. What was the name given to the operation conducted by the National Security Guard, NSG, in 2008 against a terrorist attack in the Taj Hotel, Mumbai? A. Operation Black Tornado. B. Operation Black Thunder. C. Operation Safe Sagar. D. Operation Vijay. Correct answer. A. Operation Black Tornado. 22. For whose liberation did India fight from Pakistan in 1971? A. Bhutan. B. Nepal. C. Bangladesh. D. Sri Lanka. Correct answer. C. Bangladesh. 23. Which operation did the Indian Army conduct in 1984 to remove militants from the Golden Temple in Amritsar? A. Operation Vijay. B. Operation Blue Star. C. Operation Meghdut. D. Operation Trident. Correct answer. B. Operation Blue Star. 24. In which year did the Indian naval Operation Trident occur? Karachi. A. 1971. B. 1965. C. 1999. D. 2001. Correct answer. A. 1971. 25. What was the code name of the India-Pakistan Kargil War? A. Operation Blue Star. B. Operation Vijay. C. Operation Virat. D. Operation Kargil. Give the answer below in the comment box.